What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I know I haven't been posting a lot lately, but it has been extremely busy at my shop. Haven't had much time on the side to do detailing or any videos, but I'm trying to get, I'm getting caught back up, so bear with me. I'm with my love bug here. She's gonna help me with my unboxing. I'm pretty excited right now. I don't know if you guys have ever heard of them. Ethos Care Care products. See it right there. Fairly new, but I've heard nothing but awesome stuff about Ethos. So I just had to try. I went ahead and ordered a mystery box from Ethos. And I'm very excited to open it up and see what we got here. So I'm gonna just cut to the chase, and we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna open this thing up and see what kind of products we got. I'm gonna try to make this quick, and let's get to it. While I'm opening this, I want to say a thank you to Tim at Ethos. Emailed me as soon as I ordered, wanted to thank me for the purchase and everything. So far, the customer service has been awesome. All right, go ahead and pull out this invoice. Let's get this out of the way. This isn't sponsored. I paid for this with my own money, guys. First thing, what do we got here? We've got the Ethos wheel cleaner. I've seen a couple of videos on this stuff. I've heard nothing but good stuff, and I can't wait to try this out myself. First impressions, I really like the bottles.
Probably in the next video we do, we'll probably use some of these.
Definitely going to use some of this stuff in the next couple of videos. Wheel cleaner, pH balanced, brake dust eliminator. All right. So we got this one. We're going to set it right over here. Our next product that we got in our mystery box is the Ethos leather conditioner. I hope you guys are seeing this good. I'm using my new tripod setup for the first time, so cleans and conditions leather surfaces. So cleans and conditions at the same time. That's pretty good because normally I'll use a cleaner and then I'll have to use a conditioner. So I'm pretty excited to use this.
And then you have one of these.
Okay, we got spray. Oh, a whole bunch of spray nozzles. Spray nozzle central.
Yeah.
All right. What we got? What's next?
We have these towels.
Okay. We've got some edgeless microfiber towels. See if you guys can see that.
Make the whole camera.
Hold on to those.
It's so soft.
Oh yeah.
Like I'll sleep with this tonight.
Very soft. It's got one side that's a long nap. It's very soft. And a short nap on the other side. I'm not sure the GSM of these things. If I had to, I'm not too sure. But it came with two of those.
Yeah.
Very nice. Feels like very nice quality towels.
And then you have this, which is.
All right, what's that?
It's tire shine.
Is it? Oh.
And it's a really pretty color. I really like the color.
You really like the color? Ethos Tire Shine. Really excited. Like I said, I've seen my buddy Fab Automotive Detailing did a video on this stuff, and he absolutely loves it. And we have the same taste in tire shines, so I'm super excited to use this stuff.
And then here's your next one.
What's the next one? What we got here? We've got Ethos Detail Spray. Enhances gloss, depth, and shine. We'll definitely be using this on the GSX in between washes. So look forward, those videos. Carnauba infused as well, so I'm excited to use that as well.
Here's this one.
What do we got? We've got Ethos Evaporate. It says water activated acrylic drying aid. That's interesting. I don't really use drying aids, so we're gonna see if this is gonna break that barrier with me and drying aids, and who knows, I might have to start using this every single time. So look for a video on this stuff for sure.
And then here's the next one. It's like a yellow green, like a neon yellow green.
All right, we've got, last but not least, we've got the Ethos all-purpose cleaner. I'm excited to use this stuff. I gotta say thank you to Ethos for putting together a great mystery box. I'm gonna go ahead and lay these all out so you guys can see. Can't forget the towels. Yes, I'm very excited to get to use this stuff and make some videos on this stuff. So you guys, if you guys want to subscribe, hit that bell. That way, when I do start making videos on this stuff, you guys get notified. You know, I'm gonna try to find time to make videos on this stuff. Like I said, I've been really busy lately, so it's hard. But I will do my absolute best to get these videos out to you. I'm excited to use them. Thank you guys for joining us on our Ethos Car Care mystery box reveal. I've been waiting patiently for this box, and I'm excited. So with that,
remember the video when we went for shinies and they gave us a whole bunch of stuff?
yes,
That was awesome.
so we love mystery boxes. I love the fact of not knowing what I'm gonna get. But yes,
We love all the car products, as you can see over there.
Thank you guys once again for joining us on a mystery box unveiling, veiling, tomato, tomato. And I will catch you guys on the next video.